Hey everyone, I want to tell you about this pool vacuum that we have. It is so great. It worked amazing and I just love it. So this is so cool because it does come with the handle. I know a lot of vacuums don't come with that. This one does. It is telescoping, so you can go up, down, you can move it in several different places. It is lightweight, so it's going to be easy to move around in your pool, and underneath it's got these little wheels on it, and they are plastic wheels. They're rounded, so they're not going to scratch your pool liner. You can see that it does have this little fan on the bottom of it, and that's what's going to spin, and it's going to create a suction to make it go up in your pool. You don't have to hook any kind of hoses to it or anything, which is great too, because I don't like doing all that extra stuff. I just want to be able to set and go. And this is not like one of the robots where you have to get in the pool. You can do this completely outside of the pool. So it is made out of plastic. It's got this nice blue color on it. It does have a little plug here where you would plug in your charger. Just make sure you push that closed all the way when you're using it in your pool to keep that charging port nice and dry. And then you just hit this button, touch down once, it turns on, touch down, it comes back off. So it's super easy. You can wait till you get your, I like to wait till I get it into the water before I kind of turn it on, just for me, but you can turn it on otherwise, it doesn't matter. You're not gonna burn up the motor or anything like that. So I just used it. It worked awesome. All you have to do is put the little sock on the outside, and then you're ready to go. It just cinches closed like a little sack, and then once you're done, you can turn it inside out and spray it off with the hose. This thing worked incredibly. It blew my mind. I am not normally impressed by things like this, but this was awesome. So it does come with a instruction guidelines booklet in case you have questions or need troubleshooting, but otherwise it's pretty easy. There's two little pins that you put in to the sides very easily. You just pop them in and then you're ready to go. Make sure it's charged up. It doesn't even have to be charged super forever, because I had it charging for maybe 5 minutes and I cleaned our entire pool out in maybe 10 minutes and it was done. The whole pool. We had a party over the weekend. Lots of kids were in the pool. This whole pool is crystal clear now. It is amazing. So this is something I recommend. You need to definitely get this and you will be impressed. It's nicely on our rack too with all of our other pool essentials, and it definitely fits easily. The handle is just about the same size.